Now see the question. Now you see the question. The speed, it is 2019 Neet question. 2019 Neet question. The speed of a swimmer. The speed of a swimmer in still water is the speed of a swimmer in still water is 20 meter per second. The speed of a swimmer in still water is 20 meter per second. Stop. The speed of the river. The speed of the river water is 10 meter per second. The speed of the river water is 10 meter per second and is flowing due east. Due east. Stop. If he is standing on the south bank, if he is standing on the south bank and wishes to cross the river along the shortest path, they indicated here, you see, shortest path. The angle at which he should make it, the angle at which he should make its strokes with respect to north. The angle at which he should make its strokes with respect to north. Angle they ask. This is the given question. See here, now I am doing the solution. So this is the river. Width of the river they have given. So the width of the river, I think width of the river they didn't given, of course. Width of the river they didn't given. Water velocity they have given. What is the water velocity? Tell me please. What is the water velocity? River velocity?
10 meter per second.
10 meter per second. Very good. So 10 meter per second. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That's the water velocity. Now man is at bank A. He wants to reach exact to the opposite bank. At point B. So he wants to reach exact to the opposite bank. Okay? In which direction he has to swim, that they are asking.
Yes.
But they gave these directions also, east to south, north, south, like that. So now we can take like this. Now this is east. That is east. And it is west. And it is north. And it is south. So east, west, north, south. Now river is flowing horizontally due east. So this is the river velocity in this direction. Man is here. For example, man is here. He standing at here. He wants to reach exact to the opposite bank. So in which direction he has to swim, that they are asking. Means he is swimming like this. He wants to reach exact to the opposite. Let us consider it is point A. This is point B. He wants to reach exact here. So in which direction he has to swim to reach the opposite bank, that they are asking. So you know, this is the river velocity. River is flowing in this direction. So to reach exact opposite bank, in which direction you have to swim? In upstream direction. Is it correct or not? So in upstream direction he has to swim. So this is the man velocity. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
And V man with respect to water you have to take. Water is going in this direction. Opposite direction you have to take. Respect. We are giving respect to the water. Means you can add here. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is V water. So that is V water. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
And it is the V man. So this vector I am showing here also. So this is V water. So this is V water and it is V man. This angle you have to find out, theta. So what is V water? V water they have given. V water is 10 meter per second. And what is the man velocity? 20. So V man is equal to 20 meter per second. Need it out? Water is flowing in this direction. This is the direction of the water. So he has to swim in opposite direction only. Any doubt? Ask me please.
North south direction annaru sir.
North?
South directions annaru.
Yeah, this is north and it is south. He stands on the south bank. Okay.
Mana condition paina kuda teeskochu.
Anywhere you can take. But I am taking V man with respect to what I have taken. With respect to north they are asking. So with respect to north means you have to give the respect to the north. So you have to give respect to the north means you have to take in opposite direction.
Okay.
Simple concept it is.
Yes.
We are giving respect to the north. So you have to take in opposite direction. Can you understand?
Yes.
Any doubt? Right. So this is 10 meter per second. This is 20. This theta we have to find out. So sin theta we can write.
Okay.
So sin theta is equal to opposite side by
I put
hypotenuse, means 10 divided by 20.
20.
So cancel these two. That is equal to 1 by 2. So theta is equal to sin inverse of 1 by 2. That is equal to 30 degrees. So this is 30 degrees. So 30 degrees due west. This is west only, na?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because I have taken opposite direction. This is opposite, this is opposite.
Yes.
So 30 degrees due west.
Okay.
30 degrees due west. See the answer, please. So answer is 30 degrees due west.
Yes, sir.
30 degrees due west. Okay. So this is the answer. Like this I have to find it. Again I will repeat. See, please listen. Water is flowing due east. Man is at south bank.
Yes, sir.
So he is asking in which direction he has to take the strokes with respect to north. So I have to give the respect to the north, means opposite direction you have to take. And this river velocity opposite direction you take. So man has to swim in upstream direction. So this is the man velocity and it is the water velocity. Resultant velocity I have taken.
Yes,
So that is 30 degrees. Okay, 30 degrees due west.
Yes.
Okay, so this is previous year question. So in these two topics, whatever explained in this session, one question will come. Be careful. Okay, thank you.